Today let's talk about how to fix Discord screen share no audio. So if you're trying to share or are sharing your screen within Discord and the audio is not available, in this video let me show you a few things that you can try out. Now if you're using Discord from the web or from your desktop, what you can first of all check out is the voice settings. So once you head over to the settings page, you'll be able to see the option called voice being displayed. Make sure that the input mode is correctly selected. If the input mode was not selected to your preferred microphone, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. If you're using Discord on your mobile phone, what you need to ensure is that the microphone has access. So just tap and hold the app of Discord, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to app permissions and make sure that the microphone is set to allow. Alongside that, what you can also try out is head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete both of these steps, make sure you remove the Discord app from the recent app list and try to see if now the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the application of Discord onto your device or use a laptop or a desktop to share your screen. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.